My name is Mike Canino. I'm a marine science major in the College of Earth, Ocean, and Environment. Well, I started out as an exercise science major because when I was a senior in high school, I believed that I had to know exactly what I wanted to do when I went to college. So I picked exercise science, and I wasn't sure if I really wanted to do it or not, but I volunteered in a physical therapy department, and by doing that, I realized I didn't want to be an exercise science major anymore. So then I changed to marine science because I've always liked fishing, I always liked the marine life, so logically I thought that was the best thing to do. So when I was a little kid, I wanted to be a doctor like my father. The most fun thing I've done in CEOE here has been to go on a study abroad trip to New Zealand. We had two classes, coastal field biology and marine invertebrate biodiversity, and that basically consisted of going to a different coastal habitat every day, which is awesome because we went to about 30 different beaches. Last spring, I went on a research cruise with Dr. Sharp to measure water chemistry in the Delaware Bay aboard the research vessel UR Sharp. And that was an amazing experience because it was an overnight research cruise and we got to learn how to conduct scientific research while out in the field on a marine vessel. The person that has influenced me in CEOE has been Dr. York. I've had her for 3 different classes, and she really stressed getting an internship or volunteering in your field to see if you want to do it or not, which encouraged me to apply for an internship with the Alaska Department of Fish and Game last summer, which I completed, and that pretty much solidified that I actually did want to work in this field. I worked on 3 different salmon research and management projects in the subsistence fishery in Alaska. Well, a typical day was I had to remove the otoliths from sockeye salmon in order to measure how many of the salmon returning were wild and how many were hatchery salmon. Another project I worked on was a radiotelemetry project where we had to capture king salmon and tag them, and that project measured spawning distribution of king salmon in the Gulkana River. We caught the king salmon with hook and line, which was just a great job. I would like to be a fishery biologist that manages the commercial fishery in the marine system. So this summer I'll be working for the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service in Alaska as a fisheries technician that will study Chinook salmon in the Kenai River system. We will primarily work on a remote field camp project for the entire summer, and the goal of it is to estimate the abundance of Chinook salmon in the Kenai River system.